So matter consists of atom. Atom consists of three fundamental particles found in the molecule's nucleus and the space around the nucleus, that is orbit. So nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. Electrons are revolve around the nucleus. The charge they are given, relative mass and actual mass is given. So why do we neglect the mass of electron? Because it is very negligible. So this all the details have given us how the scientists have discovered the fundamental particles of an atom, the value of an fundamental particles. What do you mean by atomic number? The number of protons in an atom is known as atomic number. So number of protons determines the atomic number. Mass number. Mass number of an atom is the number of protons and number of neutrons present in the nucleus. Atomic number is represented by the letter Z. Mass number is represented by the letter A. So this is the way we have to write the symbolic representation of an element. Calcium. When you see the calcium, 20 is the atomic number, 40 is the mass number. So you can remember that mass number to atomic number. Next one is difference between isotope and isobar. What do you mean by isotope? Isotope is the same element which have different mass number. Isobar is the different element which have same mass number. Here they are given the difference between isotope and isobar. There are the three isotopes of hydrogen: protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium contain only one electron and proton. There is no neutron. So which element does not have neutron? You can take the example of isotope of hydrogen, that is H11 protium. Deuterium, all the subatomic particle, each one are there. One electron, one neutron and one proton. Tritium, one electron, one proton and two neutron. So what is the mass number of protium? 1. Atomic number 1. What is the mass number of deuterium? 2. Atomic number 1. So if you know the atomic number, if you know the number of neutrons, you can calculate the mass number. That means mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutrons. If you know the mass number and if you know the atomic number, you can calculate all the subatomic particle, that is atomic number is equal to number of protons, and that number of proton is equal to number of electrons, and mass number minus number of protons, you will get number of neutrons. In such a way you can calculate all the subatomic particles. Why does an atom is neutral? Because always an atom has same number of electrons and same number of protons. So they are neutral. Atoms are electrically neutral. This is isobar. Isobar is a different element but they have same atomic mass. That means same mass number. Element is different. This is a pair. When you see that argon and potassium are one pair of isobar, neon and sodium are another one pair of isobar. And calcium and argon also another one pair of isobar. So you read the textbook also, children. You have to read the textbook. and you frame your own question answer. In this, the tabular column you can write in your classwork. Start the new lesson, structure of atom, and table 2.1, fundamental properties of fundamental particles, tabular column you can write. J.J. Thomson model drawing you can draw and write is a few brief. Next, Rutherford experiment, draw the experiment and model of atom, experiment and observation and conclusion and model of the Rutherford model, that also you can write in your classwork. After that, Rutherford Bose model, already you have learned in lower classes. Bose model, Bose only has determined the number of suborbital. So drawbacks of Rutherford model only has given the idea for discovering of other distribution of electrons.